So today we are going to explain about equilibrium. Okay, so we already covered earlier force, momentum, conservation of momentum, and vector quantity and scalar quantity. Do you have any questions on that? Then we can proceed on equilibrium. Anyone has any question on that?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay, it's all clear. So let me go with the quickly with the equilibrium. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. This is, and once it is visible to all of you, just let me know. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to zoom little bit so that everyone can see it properly. I'm going with the 200% zoom. No, that is not good. Quickly little bit. So, yes, it is better. Okay, now you can see it better, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello, everyone can see the screen better, right?
Yes.
So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
okay. So what is equilibrium? Equilibrium in physics is the condition of a system when neither state of motion nor its internal energy state tends to change with the time. Okay, so this is the written definition. Okay, I'm not going to read for you the definition just so that you are going to just it is like I'm reading for you and you guys are not getting anything. I want more to give you the practical aspects, how you can learn equilibrium. Okay, so I will share these notes. You can go through this and you can learn these things later on. How you are going to going with these notes? First, I have written that all the definitions here. Another is wherever I took references from anything, like if you are going to click here, this is going to see control plus click to follow the link. This will take you to the Britannica website where you will get more for this particular word. For example, if you want to know more about stable, just control and click on this link. This will open a website, Britannica. Okay. Here you will directly get the meaning of what is stable equilibrium in physics. Okay. If you have interest, you can go, you read it. There is no need to open the pages of your book or anything. You can directly go from here and read it. And this is the official encyclopedia of Britannica. And Britannica is especially designed for the students to learn the things. Okay. Now, in the last, I have put the references. References are the links from where I took the material, because I'm not going to give any copyrights on the material which is put here, because I'm using this free material for teaching you guys. Okay, got it? Got it how we are going to refer the notes? Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. So, I'm quickly going to give you equilibrium. What is equilibrium? Okay, so equilibrium is the stage of a body where you are going to see a body in a stable state. Okay, it is not going to change its status. For example, let me show you. Something I want to see if I can get to show you. Okay, like I'm going to give you this duster. Okay, if this duster is I'm going to put like this way, standing. Okay, this is not in equilibrium, because if I am going to leave it, it cannot be stable on its position. So this is not in equilibrium. So when you are going to put something in the equilibrium, the definition said the condition of a system when neither its state of motion nor its internal energy tend to change. It means if a body is in equilibrium, this is not going to change. Okay, when I'm going to say not going to change, it means it is not going to change either in energy state or in its actual state. Now, what is the difference between energy state change and actual state change? Can anyone explain me? Just try to explain in Hindi, because I'm just trying to reach out to maximum students, and if you can explain in English will be better. If you're not, in Hindi also you can explain. Anyone, what is the difference between change of state and change of energy state?
Sir, change of the state can be of like from solid to liquid and from liquid to gas, means the state of matter can be like change
Okay,
of state of
no.
matter.
Let me show you this way. Can you see this box? Okay.
Yes, sir.
If I am putting this box on my hand, this is in the equilibrium state. Okay. Now, why it is on equilibrium state? Because if I am going to keep this box hold like this way, in that case, neither any pen is going to change its position, nor this box is changing. Now, this is the state where neither its internal energy is changing, nor its state of position is changing. It means position is also fixed and its state is also fixed. Now suppose I started to move this box upward. Okay. So if you see, everything is still stable inside the box. Okay. Box is also stable on my hand because its position is stable. But what is changing? Its state of energy. Why? When I am moving it, it is going to convert its dynamic energy to the static energy. So when I am taking from downward to upward, its static energy is going to increase. When I am taking it downward, its static energy is decreasing. And the force of my hand is going to help in this change in energy. So this will not be stable if its energy form is going to change. Got it? This concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in physics, perfect equilibrium is the state where neither state of the body is changing nor energy of the body is changing. Also, all the forces are equal in terms of cancelling each other. If one force is stronger than other force, body will not come into the equilibrium. Okay. Now, there are two types of equilibrium based on their position. One is stable equilibrium, another is unstable equilibrium, and third is comes into the, that is the known as the neutral equilibrium. Okay. Now, equilibrium is not only available in physics, equilibrium is also available into the chemistry. Okay. Also the branch of physics which is known as thermodynamics. Okay. In thermodynamics also you have faced the situation of equilibrium. Okay. Have you ever opened the bottle of Coca-Cola? Any one of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose you have suddenly opened the bottle of a Coke. What will happen?
Sir,
सर
brisk effervescence will come.
What will happen?
सर जो उसके अंदर की गैस होती है वो एकदम बाहर निकलती है, वो जो लिक्विड होगा वो.
Good. Anyone else? Okay. So when you are opening the bottle of Coca-Cola, what happened? When Coca-Cola bottle is actually seized, okay, when they are going to put the cap, there are certain gases, okay, which are filled, okay, and then it is seized, okay. Now, it is in the equilibrium status earlier. What you have opened, when you have opened the bottle cap, the gases started to come out because the equilibrium was not stable. Why it was not stable? Because the gases was filled inside and the equilibrium was unstable. Unstable equilibrium is something which is supported by external forces. Okay. For example, uh, uh, if I'm taking this thread, okay, If I'm taking this thread, is this thread is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I'm taking this thread and I'm putting a mass something on it, so this equilibrium is actually not stable. Reason is this equilibrium will remain till the time in equilibrium, till the time the mass of that body is not exceeding the tension which is applied by this thread. Okay. At the moment, the mass and gravity, which is I have told you, that is known as the weight of a body, that weighing force is going to be more than the tension applied by this thread. This will break. Okay, because it was not in actual equilibrium, it was in equilibrium due to the external forces. Okay, so you are going to make that equilibrium in that direction. Now what happened in thermodynamics? In thermodynamics is equilibrium is attained when a chemical reaction is going to attain its natural form of energy. What is natural form of energy? Have you ever tried to run? Any one of you tried to run?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever you running, what is happening?
सर हम जब सर रनिंग करते हैं सर तो मतलब पैरों पे फोर्स लगाते हैं और ज्यादा दौड़ने पर सर हमारे जो सांस फूलती है.
Okay. Anyone else can explain what happened when you are going to run?
Sir, when we are going to run, we are applying the. Sir, when we are going to run, we are going to apply the force in the backward direction by our legs on the ground, and the force which is we are applying on the ground that will come out as the that will work as our for movement in our forward direction. Means sir, that Newton's third law of motion according to it.
Okay. There are a number of things going on in your body when you start to run. First of all, you are changing the position of your body. It means you are not in equilibrium no more because you are changing the state of your body. Okay. You are moving to the dynamic direction. Another is your body start to feel the thermodynamics. What is thermodynamics? Your body is started to attain the entropy. Entropy, that topic will cover in thermodynamics. Whenever I will explain something in that, I'll explain you. So your body start to generate the energy. Why your body start to generate the energy? Because when you are running, you are consuming the energy. And how that energy comes from the ultimate source of your body to give the energy is glucose. Okay. So your body start to break the glucose and it started to give you the more energy. Now, have you ever asked yourself why you are sweating when you are doing run? Why you are not sweating in normal process? Normally, when you are staying at your home, are you sweating? पसीना आता है तुम्हें घर पे बैठ के कभी?
No, sir.
नहीं सर.
लेकिन जब रन करते हो तो पसीना आता है. क्यों आता है?
Because sir, energy
Okay,
sir.
Can any one of you are a science student, any one of you tell me how glucose is going to break inside the body?
Sir, by the process of respiration.
Respiration, but how glucose break? Can you
Sir,
give me the formula of glucose? Anyone?
Yes, sir. C6H12O6.
Very good. C6H12O6. Then you are going to take inside oxygen, that is O2. Okay.
O2.
Then
Yes.
C6H12O6 plus O2. Okay.
O2.
For balancing,
Yes,
you can take the number of molecules. I'm not going in the chemistry concept. Now, glucose plus oxygen, that is going to break into carbon dioxide plus water. Okay.
Water.
Okay. Now your carbon dioxide already going out, exhaling using your nose. Okay. Now,
yes, sir.
how excess of water should come out from your body? So that excess of water is coming out from your body through your skins, and that is sweating.
Sweating.
because at that time you are breaking so much glucose that water is insufficient to come out of your body using urine only. Okay, that's what you are going with the lots of sweatening when you are doing high workload, either running or sports or any. It is not only in running you are sweatening, you are sweatening in couple of places. Last time I have given you the example of your mind. When your mind start to work, that is the reason when you are in fear you start to sweatening, because your mind start to work a lot and you start to break the glucose. Okay, so everything in physics, thermodynamics, chemistry, science stream is somehow related. If you understand the one thing properly, you will understand the other thing also. Now let me give you further the example of equilibrium. I have shortlisted one video here, and that video I have described in this link also. You can go and open on your computer also. Let me show you quickly and explain you. Okay, everyone is visible. Everyone can see my screen. YouTube.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Can you see YouTube link or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No. But can you see YouTube open like I'm playing YouTube video? Is it visible to you?
No, sir.
No,
That's
sir.
what. Okay. Let me share quickly. 1 second. Okay. Sorry. New share. And here I go. Now you can see a green leaves hut, something like
yes,
that.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So see it clearly. This is an animation I'm taking from YouTube. Okay. So what it is explaining you, when you are going to put something inside this bowl, if you are going to put a ball, it is going to attain a stable equilibrium. What is that stable equilibrium? Suppose you can do this experiment in your home. Take a big bowl, and inside big ball, if you are going to put a small ball, this will go and rest inside the bowl here. If you are going to change the state of that ball, this will by default come into the center. Okay, so that equilibrium is stable equilibrium. If something attained stable equilibrium, you can never disturb that thing. Physics is, I told you last time also, physics is very important in your general life also. Suppose you are having 2 brothers or 4 brothers in a family, and if you attain a stable equilibrium where you are sharing everything within family, nobody can disturb your family because you are into the stable equilibrium. Let me show you quickly. Now, if you see, you turn the bottom bowl like this, and you are going to put the ball here, which is visible on your screen. Can you see on here?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, if you turn the bowl and you are going to put the ball here, you can balance it. But even a small air can disturb this equilibrium, and that is known as unstable equilibrium. Now, why this equilibrium disturb more quickly here? Because the force of gravity is going to change the equilibrium, but there is no one to support this. Earlier, what was supporting here? The wall of this big bowl. they are going to support the equilibrium of a small bowl. But now when force of gravity applied, force from the bowl, this is force the small ball to come out and no one is there to support the wall. This is the reason we always say kids or small children, they should be accompanied by adults always. Reason? Because kids can attain the equilibrium in terms of knowledge by using the knowledge of elders in family. So that's what it is mentioned always. When you go out, children should always be accompanied by the elders. Let us go further. So next experiment is saying, if you are going to put a toothpick and just put inside the ball and try to stabilize this ball, you will not be able to. Similarly, if you try to stabilize something on pen, a ball, that will be unstable equilibrium. Okay. Now, what it is showing further, when this ball, this is the stable equilibrium. When this is going out of its main position, this is coming to the center, that is stable equilibrium. Now if you see, ball is on the floor and this is the equilibrium. But this is again new equilibrium. It is known as the neutral equilibrium. So what is neutral equilibrium? It means if you are rolling the ball on the floor, this wherever you stop, the ball will stabilize there. It means it is a neutral equilibrium. It means this is wherever it will go, it will stabilize. Okay, it will remain stable. So neutral equilibrium is not basically attached to a particular position. This is wherever it will go, it will attain a new equilibrium. Now next it is explaining you the concept of how you are measuring temperature. So when you are measuring temperature, there are different instruments. Okay. So in the instruments, when the outside temperature that is going to balance whatever the measurements there inside your instrument, that is known as the equilibrium. For example, if you see the thermometer, when doctor is going to put a thermometer inside your body, mouth, tongue or wherever, thermometer start to change the numbers. As soon as it is going to change the numbers, it means still you are not in equilibrium. Once it is stabilized, doctor used to say this is your body temperature. Now, many of us are not frequently visiting doctor because we are healthy, and students who are below 20, they used to be more healthy. But you are frequently going to the shops, local shops in your market. Okay, there nowadays you can usually get the digital balance where the shopkeeper is going to give you sugar or anything whatever you want. They are going, suppose you want 1 kilogram of sugar, they are going to take the digital balance like this and they are going to put sugar in this. You can see in the digital meter that 500 grams, 600 grams, 700 grams, and once it will be 1 kilogram, he is going to give you the sugar. Okay, so in this way that balance is going to attain the equilibrium. Okay. Now, the author is describing here, that science animation is describing here, equilibrium is not only applied in physics, it is also applied in the population. For example, many of you have seen that in the rainy season, when the food is increasing, the population of prey also increasing. Prey are the animals, those who are going to eat other animals. Okay, so these population, like here, if you see lions, the author is giving example in Africa. When deers are going to increase, lions are also increasing, because there is equilibrium on the earth that should be maintained. So more lions are going to prey more deers. Okay, so this is all about equilibrium, which I have shared with you. I will share these notes. Saurabh sir will forward it to you. Now, I'm going to quickly ask question. Okay. I have made something like this. Okay. And let me see. This is the, I have put as a center point. Center point. Okay. I have a ball. Suppose this one is a big ball. Okay. 10 kilogram. Okay. And this is your earth. I'm going to give simple right E. This is your earth. Okay. And this is some instrument I have made just to show you the experiment of equilibrium. So how many of you going to say where this ball will attain the equilibrium, which position, and whether it will attain the equilibrium or not? Can anyone tell me the example? That is my way of teaching physics. I never go on the books example or something. I always ask you to go and learn the physics in practical concepts. Whether this ball will attain equilibrium here or not.
It will attain.
My question is whether this ball will attain equilibrium on this position center or not.
It is attained
Yes,
equilibrium
sir.
position.
What?
So it will attain equilibrium position.
This ball will attain equilibrium here or here?
Center point.
Center point.
Sir.
Okay.
Center point.
So your answer is center point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Center point. But my answer will be no. Okay.
Why, sir?
That's what I'm going to come here. My answer will be no. Reason is I know only weight of this ball is 10 kilogram. Okay. Using the theoretical concept, I will say yes, this will attain the equilibrium position here. But if you see, I have given you the example of that thread. Again, remember this. Okay. And I have shown you here that it will depend on the way of ball. How much way is this? If this is strong enough, then equilibrium will be there. If this is weak, it will break the wall, break the thread, and ball will fall down and it will not attain equilibrium. So what you guys are thinking? You guys are thinking that this ball will attain the equilibrium here. But before this, we need to calculate the reactive force. What we have to calculate? Reactive force. Okay. So we know when ball will come here, here will be the force of gravity. that I have told you so many times, Fg equal to m comma g, and m is mass 10 into 10. Okay, I'm taking gravity force, gravitational acceleration here 10. So your Fg will be 100 Newton.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if this reactive, if the strength of this reactive force is less than 100 Newton, okay, then it will break and ball will not attain equilibrium. If its reactive force is greater than 100 Newton, then it will be able to attain the equilibrium. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So based on these concepts only, physics used
But
to
sir,
work.
how?
Yeah.
Sir, one question is there.
Yeah.
Sir, is there any method to get to know that will the ball will be means attaining the stability at the center or anywhere on the plane?
That is the way to, that is the, no, that is the shape of this. If you see this shape here, gravity will always be more into the center. So anywhere else it cannot attain until unless you are not going to give certain hindrances, or which is known in physics in hinges. Okay,
Yes, sir.
got it? So
Yes, sir.
when you apply the concept of physics, apply very intelligently. That is all from today. My end in physics of equilibrium that I have explained to you. If you have any other doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can complete the class of tomorrow, today. And next class, that will be our session 6 or session 7, I think. That in that class, I will come with the topic which you will give it today to me. I will explain that topic to you.
Okay, sir.
Any questions from anyone?
No.
Nothing? Okay, then you will get all these notes on your email ID, which is registered with Saurabh. And also you can get the recording of today's again on your our channel, Global Learning. You will get it there. I have shared the link on WhatsApp group. If you like the really lectures, these are just I'm sharing again. I'm sharing to really develop the concept of physics in every one of you. You can ask your friends anywhere in India or wherever they are, because the classes are going online, so they can attend these classes from anywhere irrespective of location. Lucknow, UP, Saharanpur, Shahjahanpur, Madras, wherever they want they can attend. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then that's it for today, and hope you got the concept of equilibrium clear. If you have any
Yes.
questions, you can keep on posting in our group, either on the link. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.